Today, we are here to continue what we started last week, Wednesday, when we signed a contract. I say a contract, not a memorandum of understanding, has been carried about, because a contract with Julius Berger to construct the all talked about, the all planned Port Harcourt Ring Road. Today, we are here to put mortar and brick to that contract signing. And that is why we all gathered here. Some of you, when we signed the contract, said, "Are you sure they are going to start it?" That is what we are doing today, to tell you, we did not just sign it, we have paid for it, and we are here to commence the job. Let me say a few things about this project. I listened attentively to the Julius Berger MD. He talked about maybe an area that we didn't look about while we do present the importance of this road. It's not just about connecting element to a chair. It's not about connecting a chair to a query, but connecting our people. What do we stand for? Let me say this. We have a man that I want to add a new title to his name. Our own Vasco da Gama. The Vasco da Gama, you know where Vasco da Gama is? He's the man who discovered the sea route to India. But a man who discovered, who visioned and actualized the rivers, the new rivers vision. We are here to say that it is not just the vision, but bringing river states together, bringing all the ethnic groups together. It's not just the issue of Ikwere, the Okrika, the element, but something that outside our individual differences, but will have something that is connecting us today. I want us to look at this project as that connectivity in the life of this state. My good people of River State, who have said so much about the unity and the progress of this state, this project is one project that will bring more development to our dear state. We are talking about the expansion and the decongestion of Falga and Obiakpom. This project will bring new city into Port Harcourt, into River State. After this project, people will be living far off. Accessibility to the town will be at ease. What are we talking about when we say development? This is the development that we are talking about. You can't go and build a school without good roads. You can't go and build a quality hospital without accessibility. We are laying the foundation today for that accessibility. So I want to urge, especially the communities and the LGAs where this road will run through, we ask for your cooperation. It is a project for all of us. It is not a project for Sim and his administration. It's not a project for immediate past governor and his family. It's a project to unite the states. So as we come through your LGAs, we are going to pay you your compensation. You don't need to worry, but we ask for your cooperation. It is only when you don't cooperate with us, when you want to sabotage us, that is when we are going to swing the big hammer on you. We are not going to compromise.